Here's how to get healthier hips in 90 seconds. Follow along with me. We're doing 3 exercises today from a standing position. I'm holding onto my kitchen counter for balance. Starting with leg swings from front to back. Now I don't want you to be kicking, just swing them along like a pendulum. These exercises will help improve mobility and build a little bit of strength. When you lack mobility in your hips, it could hinder your everyday life. Symptoms can be low back pain, knee pain, obviously hip pain, but it could also prevent you from walking long distances and standing for long periods of time. So we're working on that today. I do this exercise literally every day. So we switched up from front leg swings to side. As always, I want you to follow your natural range of motion. If you can't cross your midline, that's totally fine. Do what you can. And follow your own speed. I'm very comfortable doing this exercise, so I'm just swinging along, but do what you can. Okay, now this final exercise is to open up those hips a little bit more. Lift your knee up to the front and rotate to the side. We're alternating legs, or you can do one leg at a time. Do about 10 per side. It might feel uncomfortable at first, you might even feel a little bit of clicking. As long as there's no pain, it should be okay, but always listen to your body. Never go beyond the feeling of discomfort. That should be your limit, and definitely you shouldn't feel any pain, especially if it's sharp. Thanks for following along. Add this to your favorites. See you soon.